Come in. Well, look who's here. I haven't seen you in...
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva, and thank you to all my new subscribers. Today we're here to announce the winner of my special giveaway. I believe it was on Sunday. I made a video, and Sunday happened to be the cameraman and my wedding anniversary. And I said to all of you, if you want, write down in the comments how many years you think the cameraman and I have been married. And whoever guesses the correct number of years will get a special prize. And I said, if there's more than one person, then we'll draw it out of a bowl. And that will be the winner. Well, we don't have to draw anything out of a bowl because there was only one winner. Now, I will tell you, the guesses ranged from 37 years up to 51 years. So, I am going to now announce how many years we've been married, and I will announce the winner. So, cameraman, can I have a drum roll, please? Alrighty. The correct amount of years is 51. Now, I am flattered for those who said 37 and they said 40, but no, I can't even believe it myself. The cameraman and I have been married. We just celebrated our 51st wedding anniversary. Can you believe that, cameraman?
Trust me, I can.
So, there's his sarcasm again.
It's British wit.
Okay. But the winner, and the only one that guessed 51 years, is my wonderful subscriber, Joan. Her last name is Schutte. It's S-H-U-T-E. Way to go, Joan. So what I need you to do is go down in the description box. You'll see my email address. Please send me an email with the name and the address to send your surprise. So, I'm not going to say how old I am because that is a secret and I'll leave you all guessing. But what I did want to tell you was today is going to be the day that I start part 1 of my series, Baking with Pumpkin. And so make sure that you stay tuned and you look for that video because I'm going to have some great fall pumpkin recipes. So congratulations, Joan. Another drum roll for Joan. Woo! Congratulations, Joan. Send me an email and I will see you all very soon. Toodles!